Bye.
Hey y'all, new day, new vlog. I call myself, y'all look at these braids, they keep sticking out. But I call myself doing my makeup because I was going to record like 2 videos for you all today, but my hair was not cooperating with me, so I was like, forget it. So yeah, but I mean my makeup looks good. Hi. And my baby said hi. So yeah, right now I just took my ring light down, but I am about to break down this area over here and move it out the way so I can clear this room out. I still have stuff up. I also have to clean up my makeup brushes, the ones that I used on my face today, so I'm gonna record me doing that. And yeah, I don't know what else. Yeah. This freaking braids, man, I'm telling you. But y'all, I am in the bathroom. I'm about to clean my brushes that I used in this makeup look. I'm going to use this Shea Moisture African Black soap as my makeup cleaner. And then I have this little fishbowl thing with this, and also my little cleaning mat. Y'all will see that in the sink once when I flip the camera. And then I have my little drying rack that I need to put together. I'll put together now. And I mentioned these inside my Amazon beauty room fave. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. And also, these items that I just mentioned is also linked inside of my Amazon store. So yeah, your girl is an Amazon affiliate. So if you do purchase anything from my store, I do earn a small little coin. So yeah, let's get into cleaning these makeup brushes. y'all, so my brushes and makeup sponge is clean. I put all my brushes inside the drying tree rack thing because I just want to keep all my brushes in one spot, so it'll just, you know, be more organized. So I just won't be having brushes laying around. So when all these brushes dry, I'm going to put them inside the case where I have all of my other brushes at, and then I think by that time I'll be able to close that suitcase that was just laying on my floor that you all saw in my first vlog. Yeah. Y'all, I cannot take myself serious with these braids just sticking out like that. But yeah, if you haven't seen that vlog, definitely check it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly clean up around the sink. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I don't know if you guys remember that that blue bin inside my first vlog when I was folding up those clothes, but I ended up putting my shoes inside of this blue bin because like all of my shoes couldn't fit inside of that suitcase. So I just put it inside of this blue bin, and then I put all the clothes that was inside of this blue bin. I put it inside of a different bin with my underclothes. So now I have one suitcase that is free that I could put like anything in there. And then yeah, so that worked out pretty good for me, and I'm happy about that. So I didn't show you all my baby's hair after I finished braiding it. Turn around. No, not look up. Turn around, baby. So this is what his hair is looking like after I braided it. His braid is sticking up because he fell asleep on his hair. But yeah, that's what his hair looks like after I braided it. I didn't show you guys in my last vlog, so I just decided to show you guys in this vlog. He sat through the whole thing. I mean, he did move around, but he sat through the whole thing for me to do his hair. I mean, it's not a hassle to do his hair. He just sits there as long as he has something to play with or something to watch, then he's good. Thank you. Good job. Here, take it back. So right now I'm just sitting on the floor because I don't know. But yeah. By the time you guys see my vlogs, it will be October. So I'm trying to, well, today is September 24th. Today I'm just trying to vlog like ahead of time so I could be a part of, or yeah, be a part of Vlogtober. Like at first I wasn't gonna do it because you guys know that I'm in the process of moving, but I just decided to let you guys come along with this journey with me with moving and stuff. My girl Lee, Shalithia Trinate on YouTube, check out her channel. She was talking to me and my girl Toya, another YouTuber, so check her out, Toya Plus Curls. She was talking to me and her, and she was like, y'all gonna do Vlogtober? And I was like, I don't know, because I'm gonna be in the process of moving. So I guess I'm a part of doing Vlogtober. Hopefully I'll be able to post every day. That's why I'm getting ahead of things, so I can like pre-record stuff and just have it scheduled to go up. So yeah, hopefully I could do that for the whole month of October. I've never did this before. So this will be my first time doing it. I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs. I think Halloween is probably gonna be canceled this year because of the virus and stuff, but I really don't care because I don't celebrate Halloween, so it doesn't bother me. But yeah, I guess we just gonna see how this month plans out. I really don't have anything like planned to the T so I can record it. Actually, I just go day by day, and whatever I do that day, and if I don't forget to pick up my phone to record, then I'll record it so you all can see what I'm doing that day. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. Maybe probably go back in my beauty room and clean up a little bit more. I don't know yet. I do not like packing. Well, I don't like moving. That's the thing. Good job. You got on some pants. But yeah, I do not like moving at all because it's just the packing process is just so long, and then I have a lot of stuff, so that just make it so much worse. Y'all wish me luck. So I just moved my vanity to the garage. This childish braid just won't stop freaking sticking up. But yeah, I just moved my vanity to the garage and I'm ready to take this makeup off. So I guess I'll record that and show y'all how I take off my makeup, even though I have a video on that. Yeah, I'll still link the video up above for you guys to see it if you haven't seen that video already. But yeah, I'm about to take this makeup off because it's just no point of keeping it on. it's kind of hard for me to talk. Like, I just literally just put it on. As y'all can see, like, this mask is drying already. But the instructions says to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes like it says, and I'm gonna try to edit this vlog up to this point, or see how far I can get with editing this vlog within the 10 minutes while this is drying. And yeah, see you all when it's time. This damn braid. But I see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, I'm laughing because like the way how I got my please no cussing. But I'm laughing at the way how I got my robe like all clenched up on me like this because I just got the shower. But I rinsed off my mask. I took a shower and everything. Everybody is down sleeping, so if it sounds like I'm talking low, it's because my husband and my son is sleeping right now. They're taking a nap. When I was editing this vlog, it was like super long, so it may be 2 parts to this vlog. So if you're watching this, you're probably watching the second part of this vlog, or maybe I just decided to put it into one. I don't know yet, we'll see. But I'm gonna close the vlog here, and I'll see you all tomorrow, the next day, or whenever I pick up the phone to record. And yeah, so if you're new to this channel, you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.